Dr. Haas's most valuable contribution to the field is the progressive transformation of the total knee replacement.
He has an indefatigable amount of energy.
When you think of knee surgeons around the world, you think of Steve.
He's deserving of that honor because he's the best.
If you look at where knee replacements were 20 plus years ago versus where knee replacements are today, a lot of that is because of Steve Haas.
We did a lot of work in the early days in a ceramicized metal. And Steve was one of the big innovators in that early technology.
The work that he's done has really been remarkable in terms of transforming the field of knee arthritis and how we can keep people as active as possible.
It was very limiting to have bad knees. Don't get them. I said to one friend that I was going to get a knee replacement, and she said, "You got to go to Dr. Haas at HSS." I liked him instantly. He said, "The best predictor of a good outcome from a surgery is the patient's attitude." I have taken that with me to so many things I've done. Since then, I had my other knee done. He's completely replaced 2 of my knees. I don't have a third one, or he did that too.
HSS does more joint replacements than any other single institution across the world, and 1% of all of the joint replacements done in the United States of America. A lot of the growth that we've seen at HSS has occurred as a result of the work that Dr. Haas has done.
You know, as an engineer embedded in a hospital, what you're looking for are those clinicians who can come back from the exam room, come back from the operating room, and have made really interesting observations that they want to explore.
What you're seeing in the operating room today is Steve doing a robotic-enabled total knee replacement. And this just shows the essence of Steve Haas.
He is so successful in his career, but every day he's still learning more. He's still asking questions.
He just cares so much about his patient, whatever it takes to advocate for them, not just when he does the surgery, but months, years afterward. He keeps in touch and really follows up to make sure that they're doing well.
My parents and I, we had only been in this country about 2 years when I had my surgery. One of my bone was growing a lot more than it should. As I got older, it kind of got worse. Walking wasn't as easy as it should be.
I remember Steve telling me about Janice and how impaired she was, how much he felt for her. He collaborated with some other doctors and he was new on staff. They decided to try this groundbreaking technique.
On 9/11, I was on the 46th floor that morning. That's when it hit the first building. I was in the other building. I walked down 46 flights of stairs. I don't think I would have been able to if my legs were the way they were before. I can't thank Dr. Haas enough.
Steve is incredibly deserving of this Lifetime Achievement Award. The way he takes care of patients, the way I see him with his family.
He's a master surgeon. He's in control. That mixture of intensity and kindness and intellectual curiosity really makes him a leader of the institution.
We're so proud of him.
He's an extraordinary father. He's an extraordinary husband. He's an extraordinary doctor. So I guess that means he's a pretty extraordinary person.